Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Galewad and I am an MCA first year student in the Department of Commerce and Management at Vishwakarma University. I am pleased to be presenting an introduction to essential Linux commands. Today's session will guide you through a range of foundational commands that are crucial for working efficiently within a Linux environment. Linux is a unique among operating systems for its heavy reliance on the command line, which offers powerful, flexible way to manage the system. Through this presentation, I aim to simplify these commands and help you gain confidence in using them. Alright, the first step in Linux is learning how to navigate the file system. Imagine the Linux file system as a tree structure, where every file and folder branches out from a single starting point known as the root directory, represented by a /. First, start at the root. If you type cd/ in the command line, you will be taken directly to the root directory. This is the base of everything, the starting point for every other directory. Second, change directories. If you want to move to a specific directory, like your home directory, you can use cd/home/user. Replace user with your actual username. This command is useful for getting to new folders where you store most of your files. Third, move up level. To move up one level, use cd ... Imagine it as taking a step back from where you are in the file structure. For example, if you are in home/user/documents and type cd ... you will go back to home/user. Fourth, list directory contents. Once you are in directory, you can type ls to see all files and folders in it. This command is like opening a folder in Windows or Mac where you can see everything inside. If you are looking for more details, type ls-l where give you more information like file permissions, sizes and modification dates. Now that we can navigate the file system, let's look at the file management. Linux provides a straightforward way to create, delete, copy and move files. First we'll see create a file. The touch command lets you create a new empty file instantly. Type touch file name and an empty file with the name you provided will be created in your current directory. This is helpful when you want to start a new file from scratch. Second, delete a file. If you need to remove a file, use rm file name. But be careful, the rm command is permanent, meaning that once you delete something, it's gone with no recycle bin. Third, we'll see copy a file. To create a copy of file, use cp source destination. For example, if you have a file called report.txt and you want to copy called reportbackup.txt, you will type cp report.txt space reportbackup.txt. Now you have two copies of same file. Fourth, move a file. Moving a file from one place to another is easy with mv source destination. This command also allows you to rename file. For example, mv oldname.txt space newname.txt changes the file name from old name to new name. In addition to managing files, you can also create, delete and manage directories, essentially folders in Linux. First, creating directories. To create a new directory, use mkdir directory name. For example, mkdir documents will create a folder named documents. If you want to create multiple directories at once, you can use mkdir-p dir1/dir2, which creates a directory named dir1 with another directory dir2 inside it. Second, deleting directories. If a directory is empty, you can remove it with rmdir directory name, but if it has file in it, you will need to use rm-rf directory name, which will delete the folder and everything inside it. Be extremely careful with rm-rf because it's very powerful and there is no recycle bin. Third, listing directories. To list the content of directory with detailed information, use ls-l. This command shows you permission, file sizes, modification dates, and more. If you want to see all files, even those in subdirectories, type ls-r, which will list everything in the current directory and all folder within it. Next, we have commands for working with text files. Linux has a powerful tool to view, search, and even modify text files directly from the command line. First, we'll see displaying text. Cat file name will display the entire content of file. It's a quick way to check the content without needing to open a text editor. Second, searching for text. The grep command is fantastic for searching within a file. Type grep search term file name to find specific word or phrases. For example, if you are looking for error word in a log file, you could use grep error log.txt to see only the lines that contain that word. Next, replacing text. You can make changes to text using seed. For instance, seed s/old text/new text/g file name replace every occurrence of old text with new text in the file. This is helpful for batch changes without having to edit each line manually. Linux lets you see and manage all running programs or processes on your system. Here are some essential commands for process management. First, list running process. To see what's currently running, use ps. It provides a basic list of all active processes, which is useful for troubleshooting and monitoring. Second, view system process. The top command is like the task manager in Windows. It shows a live, constantly updating view of process, including CPU and memory usage. Use this command if you want to see which programs are using the most resources. Third, kill a process. If a program is frozen, you can use kill followed by its process ID, means PID, to stop it. For example, kill 1234 would stop the process with PID 1234. You can find the PID of a program by using ps or top. Linux also has a commands for network setup and diagnostic, allowing you to check IP address, test connectivity, and view network connections. First, view IP address. Type IPADDR show to display the IP address of your network interface. This is helpful to know if you are troubleshooting network issue. Second, ping a ghost. To test connectivity with another system, use ping hostname. This command sends packet to target, and if they are returned, you know the network connection is working. Third, view network connections. netstat-a lists all active network connection. You can see which ports are open and which connection are established or listening. Fourth, view routing table. Use root-n to display the system routing table, which show how data move across networks. This command is especially useful in network configuration and diagnostics. In conclusion, today we explored some foundational Linux commands. We covered a wide range of tasks from navigating the file system, managing file and directories, manipulating text, handling processes, and configuring networks. Thank you.